good girl in his dream world. I ain't talking about Ken when I scream folk. I'm his hood girl in his hood world. Get the bag and I stuff it like a good girl. I stay low key, you don't know me. Make him back for the pussy like a Roxy. Make him pop on a nigga like Rocky. When we off the juice, I'm in stock.
Okay guys, I got my new rockers. Y'all see they still in the packaging and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get those put on today. Just another look at the old rockers. You see I already had got one on just to make sure that it was gonna work and everything. So we're good to go. So I got one side done, as you can see. These are the new ones. They look, I think, a lot better than the old ones. So compared, like, they're just a little cheap looking. I think these definitely look a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and get the other side finished up, and then we're gonna figure out our distributor. But y'all, it's sort of crazy that we had a broken rocker, because just the other week when we were at the track with Sean Marquise and his Burgundy Mustang, they had a broken rocker. So it's definitely a lesson. Always have some extra rockers on hand, because you never know what's gonna happen or what could happen. Okay, now that my job's done, I can get in the car and bump it, and I'm gonna let them do their thing with the valves, because I'm not adjusting no valves. I got my rockers and everything adjusted. You see, I still got my valve covers off, but I'm gonna show y'all, because everything sounds good. She's nice and quiet. So we're gonna go ahead and get her started up, and I'll put these valve covers back on. It's gonna be good to go. Y'all see? She sound real good, look. Everything's doing what it's supposed to do. Doing as it should. So far so good. And I was gonna go ahead and clean these up, but I'm gonna just wait for another day so I can run through the whole engine all together. So we're gonna go ahead and put our valve covers back on, and then we'll get into this distributor. Okay, so y'all see, I got my new MSD distributor in. So now that we got that set up, we're gonna go ahead and cut the car on and try to mess with the timing a little bit. But so far so good. Okay, I told y'all, I just had to touch it just a little bit.